Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we go beyond the surface to give you honest, expert insights on the products that promise to make our lives a little brighter and a lot more effective. Today, we're taking a close look at the Oral-B Pro 5000 Smartseries Electric Toothbrush Black Edition. It's a high-tech, rechargeable toothbrush with Bluetooth connectivity that promises superior cleaning and healthier gums. But does it actually deliver on those claims? Let's find out. The Oral-B Pro 5000 is designed as a premium oral care device with some serious tech features. It boasts 3D cleaning action, oscillating, rotating, and pulsating, to break up and remove more plaque along the gum line compared to a regular manual toothbrush. It has 5 brushing modes: daily clean, gum care, sensitive, whitening, and deep clean, catering to a variety of oral care needs. A built-in pressure sensor alerts you if you're brushing too hard, both on the toothbrush handle and through the connected smartphone app, which communicates via Bluetooth. The kit includes the brush handle, a charger, and a travel case for convenience. When my husband and I put this brush to the test, yes, because it's specifically designed for men's and women's use, but we wanted to see performance across the board, we noticed the immediate difference in the feel of our teeth and gums. The 3D action really does reach areas that a manual brush can't. The pressure sensor is a smart feature. It gives real-time feedback, which is perfect for those of us who sometimes brush a bit too aggressively. Switching between modes is seamless, and the brush feels comfortable in the hand despite its tech-heavy design. The Bluetooth feature is intuitive, providing insights on brushing habits and duration, helping you improve your oral care routine without much effort. One minor point: it does take a little getting used to adjusting the pressure and movement compared to a manual brush, but that's a small learning curve. So what stands out? The pros. It provides an exceptional clean, the pressure sensor protects your gums, the app feedback is actionable, and the variety of modes allows customization depending on your oral health needs. The included travel case is a thoughtful touch for people on the go. On the flip side, it's a bit pricier than standard electric brushes, and if you're not tech-savvy, the Bluetooth features might feel like overkill. Also, the handle is slightly heavier than typical toothbrushes, which could be a consideration for people with smaller hands or limited dexterity. In terms of value for money, the Oral-B Pro 5000 sits on the higher end, but it's justified if you're serious about oral health and want the smart features. You're essentially investing in a device that encourages better brushing habits, provides detailed feedback, and supports long-term gum and tooth health. Compared to similar models in the Oral-B line, the Smartseries feature and pressure sensor make it stand out from standard rechargeable brushes, and it's competitively priced against other Bluetooth-enabled oral care devices. The build quality feels premium. The brush head is sturdy, the handle has a sleek ergonomic design, and the charging base is compact. With regular care, the battery longevity is excellent, and the rechargeable unit holds up well over months of use. While I haven't had a need to contact customer service directly, Oral-B has a solid reputation for support, and the included instructions are clear and user-friendly. For those considering alternatives, if the price point is a concern, the Oral-B Pro 3000 offers many of the same core cleaning features without the Bluetooth connectivity at a lower cost. However, if real-time feedback and personalized brushing guidance are priorities, the Pro 5000 justifies the investment. Overall, the Oral-B Pro 5000 Smartseries is a thoughtful, high-performance toothbrush that really delivers on its promise of cleaner teeth and healthier gums. It's especially beneficial for people looking to improve brushing habits through technology, or those who appreciate a customizable, professional-level clean at home. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. If you've used the Oral-B Pro 5000, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. The link to purchase the brush can be found in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.